Alright, I'm going to discuss some tips and tricks on how to get the front bumper off the front end of a 2021 Tahoe. I'm going to start with some of the basics. There's a big closeout panel, of course, up here, and it's got those fancy little push-in pins. You use a flathead screwdriver to remove. I'm not going to bore you with that detail. There's probably about between 6 and 10 of them. 10 millimeters across the top. It's a clip there. It's a clip right around here. You got to lift up on these in order to unlock them. Just like that. And like that. See, it locks in right there. Along the side, there is only one bolt that needs to be removed right here. See if I can see it. It's right there. That one bolt will undo. There's a bolt that has to go through in here to go into the actual bumper cover. The rest of it's just bumper clips. So once you undo that, you just pull these out, and it's a long unclip here. You do not have to unplug this marker light. I will show you that in a second why. This panel, this felt cover, is only held on by 3 or 4 T15 Torx. And the other trick in here, get the flashlight on here. It's right down in here. All along here, there's 3. There's a hole here, one there, and one further up. There's 3 7mm that have to be removed in order to get this bumper cover off. Along the bottom, a couple 7mm here, and then Torx all along the bottom, all the way across the other side. Come around over here. Here's that little hole I was telling you about, and here's all the clips. This big plug is like a big multi-purpose plug, so I'm sure if it has fog lights or any other, maybe front bumper sensors, this one plug will remove all of them. Don't have to unplug the marker light. And this guy is right up in here. It's got one of those red tab clips up top that you have to slide out in order to get it off. Same thing with the screws on the other side. A bunch of them there. And of course the screws that hold in the splash guard. There's not much to this. Do not be afraid or be nervous. It's not as hard as I thought it was going to be. There's clips, like I said, all along here. This is all clipped in. And there's clips all along this chrome piece that lock into this bar that go across. Hopefully that helps. I'm sorry I couldn't do a full video, but I didn't have time and I was kind of in a rush, so I hope this helps. One last tip. Do not remove these 2 Torx. They're side by side. It's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Same thing on the other side. It takes out this piece. And this does not need to come off. It's like an alignment piece that goes on this way. So the bumper, I guess, goes in one spot. Just remember, don't remove the 2 closest together Torx.